What is going on, guys? Today I want to be talking about some of the best passive income ideas for 2022. Right, and these are the stuff I have done without some of my friends do, so you guys know that this is like good information and the rewards are there. Excuse me. So one of the best things to do with passive income is actually doing an automation store. Now, what is this? This is basically where you pay a reputable company. Again, do your own research. I recommend Lunar Ecom. They're really good. But basically what it is you do that, you give them X amount of money up front. Usually it's around $30,000 to $35,000. And then they will basically take you through the steps of like setting everything up. It does not take long at all, honestly about 2 hours. And then from that point on, they will literally run the entire store for you as well as placing orders. All you need is to put a credit card down on file for that inventory, right? They're gonna ask about your credit limit, all of that stuff. Again, you'd be looking at around, for me, it's around 40 to 50,000 a month, right? So that means theoretically with the startup cost plus my monthly is 80,000. However, I do get that 40 to 50 back literally every single month, as well as the profit that comes back. So again, not that big of an issue. I do use my Plum card just in case anything goes wrong. I have 60 days in order to pay it back, right, in case in the first 30 days, for some reason, I don't make it. But that has not happened yet. So just wanted to give you guys that update, right? I mean, not update, but that passive income. So again, passive income, you either start with time up front or you start with money up front. I just want to be very transparent about that. It's not like you click a button and done, right? So the second passive income thing, and this is more of a long-term than a short-term money right now. So that first option was you can start making money within the first 3 months. The second option basically is right now, again, you create a watch list of stocks with dividend potential, and you just set that up and you start doing monthly payments into that, so that way you start getting paid from that, right, in the long-term run. There's some great stocks, some great energy stocks, some great tech stocks, some great food stocks, right, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, all of those great dividends, and yeah. So again, you can set it up to every week you put $100 in, because that way in the next 20 to 30 years, those dividends will be nice and hefty, and it'll just keep going into your account, especially if you do automatic dividend reinvesting. So that's the second option. That's super easy. It takes about 20 minutes to set up, and then it's just automatic, right? The third one that I have is more crypto based, so the next two actually are. So the first one is actually getting a miner, right? You have a lot of different options. The easiest for people to use and kind of make passive income with are the HNT or the Bobcat 300 miners. You literally order it within 4 to 6 months. It's going to arrive at your door. Literally, the instructions are so easy. You set it up within about 10 minutes. Put it on your windowsill, whatever part of the house it is, first, second, third, fourth, however many stories you have. Put it on the windowsill, leave it plugged in, and then passive income goes straight to the app on your phone. And then if you just want to cash that out, right, you can cash that out every single week or every single month, whenever you want, right? So all you got to do is log in. Takes about 2 minutes to cash out. So again, right, you can even cash out once a year. But that is the other method, super easy, right? They're going for around $500 a pop. And on some, depending on your location, you can make literally between, I was making around $10 to $20 per day on one. So again, it depends. And others you can make about $1 a day. Depends on your location and all the surroundings and basically the hotspot on it. So that was the other method. The next method is actually doing yield nodes, or staking. So what that basically is you take a cryptocurrency, right? For example, let's say I want to stake PancakeSwap to BNB, right? So basically, I do an exchange pool to PancakeSwap and BNB. So that's not staking, but it's an exchange swap. And then basically, I get paid the dividends from that, some of their profits. Or, right, again, you can stake. So I can stake Solana, right? You can literally download an app on your phone. Let me pull it up. It's the Phantom app. I don't know why I had to look that up. Phantom app. You go to Coinbase, you buy Solana, you transfer that Solana to the Phantom app and you just start earning rewards. Or you go to Coinbase and you get Ethereum, you transfer that to Ethereum 2.0, and then Coinbase starts paying you a percentage as well. So there's so many options out there, passive income, and again, most of them require either money or they require time right up front. So again, now I'm going to mention the obvious ones. You have YouTube, you have Anchor, right? So that means podcasts, TikTok, and all the other social media. So those are, again, all free to start. The next one that you can actually do, this is kind of like a bonus one, is write an ebook. So what that means is you can go on Google, right, hire a ghostwriter that will write the book for you, and then you can publish it on Amazon. Again, that takes money and about 20 minutes of your time, or you can write that book yourself if you don't have the money and you have the time. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed these passive income methods. Again, I have used all of these. And also on that note, if you do want to check out my book, click that first link in the description below, and it will take you to that book. I believe it is like $9.99 or something, $12.99. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Peace out, guys.